Today's Hot Wheels US, there's the code, US M Case unboxing is brought to you by, A&J Toys, and I misplaced the card. Gotta find it, but there's a link down below in the description, AandJtoys.com. It's pretty easy to remember, but that's where you want to go if you want to buy one of these cases. You can buy the US case, you can buy the international case of all these different assortments. I know that the international comes out a little bit before the US, but you can get either one. You just have to talk to them and request it or buy it. It's there if they have them in stock, or you can pre-order, whatever. You just go to their site, talk to them. You're going to be able to get the cases you want, and that goes for basic and premium. So I'm giving them an endorsement, a little bit stronger description since I don't have the card. Depending on what you're wanting to look for, if you want the basics, you're going to get these. If you're looking for a super, there's obviously no guarantee. I've opened how many cases, international and US cases, and how many supers have I pulled? I think one super, right? So you can't guarantee supers, but it is what it is, right? Still awesome to check out what is going on, and when I do find the super, it's quite the surprise. So let's open this up. Obviously, we already did the end case, right? We just open them as we get them. So, and I think Mattel is still set to send me an M case. They like to send them too, so whatever I get, I open. If it's always the same, if it's all the same from the other M cases, like the international we already opened from A&J Toys, great. We're just going to do it and see what happens, right? Figure out the highlights. The cool thing about these cases too is that I'm going to move this there. Let's move this right here. Is that we open these up, we look at them, and I haven't done the highlight video, so I said I was going to do an M&M highlight video, right? We're going to do the highlights from the M case and the N case. We'll put them all together, and that will be kind of fun. I'm going to put this here for any highlights that we find, right? So we'll do that video this week as well. So lots to do, but let's get to it. There is that really cool regular treasure hunt, the 1978 Dodge Little Red Express truck. There's your symbol right there. Don't know if we can see it. You can see some of the text, right, that this is a treasure hunt. That one's very cool. Here, look. See, look. Highlight. How fun is that? Nissan Leaf Nismo RC02. That is always cool. The Disney Steamboat we saw from the previous case. 2017 Camaro ZL1, Geoterra, and the Custom 18 Ford Mustang GT. That's a recolor. One of the differences... that really doesn't work, does it? Here, let's put it right there. One of the differences... I'll use the Nissan Leaf with the U.S. cases versus the international. They put this new for 2021 on the U.S. models. There's some other details on the back that will determine, but it comes down to that code. Ultimately, if you open them, it doesn't matter, right? It's all the same. All right, there's another Cybertruck, but here's the Kia Stinger in black, looking cool. There's the Indy 500 Oval, also looking cool. But this is the model that interests me the most, the fantastic Tesla Cybertruck, one of my favorite models of the year. Done raw, it just is tremendous, and I think it's an easy Hot Wheels. Almost looks like the truck was built to be a Hot Wheels, right? At least that's my take. Forward Force, Rapid Responder, and the Jeep Gladiator in green. Oh, Cybertruck's the major highlight, right? There we go. Let's do that. This really isn't working. I thought it might. All right, there's your Jeep again. There is the fantastic Porsche Taycan Turbo S and another fantastic new model, Honda Civic Type R in white. Let's make our mess there. Really digging that. Okay. This is not working, is it? Everything's getting in the way. Honda CRX from the last case. Also from the last case, the Nissan Silhouette Works GT Nissan 35 GT RR version 2. And the Mercedes-Benz 300 SL. Not a new model. Notice nothing there that says it's a new model, while the Liberty Walk gets the new model because this was initially introduced as a premium, right? Eric Steinrod recolored in light blue. There's the Kia Stinger again and the Impavido 1. AMC Rebel Machine is the highlight. Really dig that one because it's done almost stock-like. Robo Race, Robo Car, two of those. Aeropod, Mad Manga, and the Disney Steamboat. This would be the Super Treasure Hunt, but it's not. It is the Mercury Cougar in green AMC Rebel Machine again, and the 2 Jet Z. Remember, real riders on this one, and you've got yourself a super. But those are not real riders. Whoa! Friends, we have an error. Check that out. You know, you talk about pulling a super, how rare that is. How about, when was the last time I pulled an error like that? That is cool. Check that out. It is the 2019 Audi R8 Spyder. Should have the chrome PR5s, but this one got white, probably coming off of the Civic, right? Got the white 10 spokes on the front. How cool is that? Let's see if we can tell. If it got, I don't know if we can tell. Nope. If you look close, I can see it. I don't know if you can, but it has the PR5 on the side, so it's just this one right there. How cool is that? All right. Okay, highlights. You get to move over here. There's your highlight for now. How cool is that? It's been a long time since I found an error. There's your Porsche again and the aisle driver. Not bad. All right, Liberty Work. Should I do it? LB Silhouette Works GT Nissan 35 GTR version 2. Super Impreza 22B STI version and the recolor of the fantastic ornamental Camaro. Conifer. God, had a blank there. Did it. Remembered. When you're filming, you just gotta, sometimes you blank. All right. Forward Force Standard Kart, the Mario Kart car. That's cool. Pixel Shaker. Devencinator, the Aston Martin 177. That's cool. And then another highlight from this case is the Lamborghini Huracan Coupe, the LB Works. Put that in with the highlights. Now we're showing, now we're not even like showing the Audi R8 error, but whatever. Aren't we having fun? Dodge Charger Drift GT Scorcher, not to be confused with that Dodge Charger I pulled from the end case, which is the ID, right? It's different casting. And the recolor of the Ford Bronco. The wheels on that seem small. Or am I just now looking for errors? Ah, that's right, huh? Those are correct. They seem kind of small, though. Is there another Bronco? I don't know. See, that's what happens. See, when you start training your eye, then you start looking for things that are weird, and sometimes you see them. You see things that aren't there. Impavito 1, rapid responder in the bat plane. You saw it, right? 67 Chevy truck. There's the Pixel Shaker and the Praying Menace. Speed Driver, Dodge Charger stock car, Nissan Silvia. Love that. So pretty. That will be in the highlight pile for sure, or in the highlight video. Camaro, Buick Regal GNX, and the Honda Civic Type R. Toyota Land Cruiser. This won't be part of the M&M one, but it's still kind of cool, right? Because we already showed that. But the Mod Rod, same with the Liberty Works. GTR, GT Scorcher is cool. That'll go in the highlights. See Me Rollin', Praying Menace, Water Bomber. 2 Jet Z, fantastic recolor of the GT40, the 67 GT40 Mark IV, and the standard kart again. And to finish, ooh, look at that. Just looking at that right there, right? That's kind of cool. Honda CRX, Plymouth Roadrunner, and the 70s van. The only reason I'm saying this is an ooh is because we get 2 Cybertrucks. The last, the M case I opened, and even the N case, only had 1 each. So this one has 2 cases, which are 2 in the case, which is nice to know. Here's the Nissan Leaf again, and then of course the Lamborghini Huracan Coupe, the LB Works. So nice to see those as well. That makes me happy that we get 2 Cybertrucks in the US case, which I think have been hitting targets, right? At least the targets. There you go. You guys tell me what you think. I think there's your highlight right there of something a little bit different, right? You always want to find something different, whether it's a cool ID chase or a super treasure hunt or a cool error. There's your cool error right there. You guys tell me what you think. Thank you, A&J Toys. More to come. Highlight video including all these models. Bye.